Here I have OUKITEL WP5, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a few seconds. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up or not. In this menu you can release both keys. Here you have to use volume up key to navigate and volume down to select, and you have to select the first option, recovery mode. After you see the Android robot and the message no command under it, hold down power key and press volume up once, and after that you will end up in recovery mode. Here at the recovery mode you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, use volume keys to navigate through the recovery mode, and power key to select options. And here you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. If you want to exit this mode, just select the last option, power off, or the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.